A parking space in New York City just sold for $250,000. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine realtors now selling standalone parking spaces in garages for the price of a house. What's next? Open houses for parking spots? Welcome to Spot 7B. Exposed concrete, partial wall view, plenty of character. But here's the kicker. That $250,000, that's just the purchase price. You still have to pay $504 a month in maintenance fees. Do the math. Over 10 years, that's $60,000 more just to use the space. Here's the sales lesson. Most reps focus on the sale price, but great salespeople, they focus on the cost of ownership. That's where the real story lives, and that is where value is built. And that's also where trust is earned. That's where the velocity mindset is all about. Velocity isn't just speed, it's speed with direction. If you're only chasing the lowest number or the fastest close, you're moving fast, but with no purpose. But when you shift the conversation from price to impact, from transaction to transformation, you become more than a salesperson. You become a trusted advisor. So the next time you're in a sales conversation, ask, am I selling a number or leading a vision? Because when you lead with value, you don't just close deals, you accelerate results. That's the velocity mindset. Let's go!